everybody. Hey, the Escort M1 dash cam is installed, and I installed it using the suction cup. So this is how it looks like. So this is the dash cam connected directly to the Escort Max 360, and I use the cigarette lighter connection right there, and I just use the stock suction cup that came with the detector. So it looks like that. It's right there. I hope you can see that. And I used it extensively this weekend. We went on a little road trip to Chicago, and it did flawlessly. So every time you turn on the car, it just automatically turns on and starts recording. It just loops. My setting right now is 1 minute loop, so it's just gonna record over the recordings that you have. So I'll attach a video with this video, so you see what it looks like, what the video recording looks like. So this is what it looks. I like it. It works flawlessly, in my opinion. And you know, you can just download the videos that you have. Obviously, if there's an event that happened, it will automatically record it. But there was a few situations yesterday that we had people cutting us off. I had to brake hard. It didn't seem to record those videos, or lock them so that they don't get looped over. I have to look into that actually, because it's supposed to do that, but I didn't see that. So here's a short video. I ordered a mirror tap, so I'm gonna mirror tap the power supply from here to the mirror over here, so I won't have this cord anymore. But I'll be using this setup for the Jeep because I like the way it's set up. And then when I move to the charger, I move this thing to the charger, I will just use my blend mount. I also bought a blend mount adapter for this camera, for this dash cam. So I will use that when I'm using it on the charger, but when I'm using it on the Jeep here, I'm just gonna use the suction cup, because if I blend mount this, it becomes kind of cumbersome to move around. But this one, I like the setup. It's right there by the mirror. Hope you can see that. It works nice. So if I have a mirror tap, it's just, you won't see this wire dangling. It's gonna be there. I'll show an installation video. I'll make an installation video so you guys can see what it's gonna look like. But right now, that's the setup, and I'll include a couple of videos here that recorded that I have downloaded to this phone. Here's an example video of the Escort M1 dash cam. As you can see in the short video, there were two situations that would have been bad, and I would have no proof that it was not my fault. As you can see, as a corner here, you'll see a black car swerve into my lane, and you'll hear my wife's reaction right there. So if you didn't have the dash cam there, no proof. Then again, you will see a black Mercedes try to cut me off in the intersection here and brakes hard right about now. So without the dash cam, I would have no proof that it was not my fault.
They're gonna deny that it's their fault,
Here's
but it's really
my
their fault. So now
short clip of the Escort M1 dash cam. Hope you enjoyed it. There you go, guys. Hope you like this and I highly recommend, because it's a compact setup and only one cord. You only one power supply cord is what you need. All right, so if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you like it enough, then subscribe. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.